Alright. I decided to make this video outside because the weather feels great. It's about 8:30 p.m. and I have these beautiful banana trees right behind me. I don't know if you can see them well or not. I hope also I'm in the frame. But yeah, let's talk finances. How can you live in Thailand if you are not yet retired? If you're not 60, 65 and are not yet retired. Let me just fix this the phone. Okay. So, how can you do that? Obviously, I'm not retired. I am 31 years of age and I came to Thailand. This is going to be my third month here, and I have already a video explaining you how I can be in Thailand without actually having a job. But let's talk about you. Let's see how you can come to Thailand, live in Thailand, not just Thailand, in any country in the world, almost any country, a country that is more affordable than your own country, and live in that country and have a decent life and enjoy your time. Well, there's only two ways that you can do this. You can either have a remote online job, or you can start an online business. And I did the latter. I have an online business, or business maybe is too much to say. I'm a freelancer. I run Facebook ads. I do Facebook ads for local businesses back in Europe. So that's how I do it. But in regards to an online business, obviously there's so many options. You can do drop shipping, you can do Amazon FBA. There's so many options. But I think, obviously I'm biased here and I'm talking from my own experience, I think the best one is this: learning marketing, learning how to do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or Google ads, or YouTube ads, and then offer your services to businesses, basically. Specifically local businesses, because that can be a little bit easier. Okay, and I'm not getting into why it's easier. Or actually, let me just say that it's easier because you actually don't have to directly sell. You have to generate leads, and the business is going to sell those leads. You know, let's say you're generating leads for a dentist. Well, the reception is going to book them in, so you don't have to actually make the sell, right? Whereas when you are doing Facebook ads or Google ads or digital marketing for an e-com brand, right? You most likely will have to sell directly. Like, you'd have to sell the product, and you have to see what is the ROI, return on investment, right? And it's a little bit more complicated. There's a lot of technical things that go into this, you know. So I don't really recommend it for a beginner. I don't do it either. I actually do have two clients that, but they are selling courses, and it's a little bit different than selling actual products. So that's the first option you have, right? Start an online business or be a freelancer. It's actually three things, right? It's either start an online business or be a freelancer, offer web design, I don't know, CEO, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. However, about this, I would say it's important to offer something that actually will make money to your customers, because it's just easier to sell. A website can be a bit more difficult to sell because it's not directly making money. A website is important, don't get me wrong, but it's not directly making money. CEO, it takes time. But Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, those are TikTok ads, right? This is direct marketing. So with this, you can get them results in the first 30 days of the ads being launched. So those are the two first things that I would consider. Start an online business, or learn a skill and offer it to businesses. And I can make another video on how to do that, how to find clients, how to find your first few clients, because that's all you need really to move in a place like Thailand. Just a couple clients. And the third one would be to find a remote job. So it's 3 options. Start a business, drop shipping, sell something online, whatever. Be a freelancer offering your services to, businesses, or get an online remote job. Those are the 3 options that you have, essentially. Right, I hope this video helped and inspired you. And yeah, if you have any questions, just post them in the comment section down below. And also, let me know what do you want me to talk about in regards to traveling, making money online. So if you got this far into the video, let me know what would you like me to talk about in the next videos. And if I have the experience, if I have the knowledge about that one thing, I'm gonna share it with you, or I'm gonna talk about it. See you in the next video.